This is a 2007 Dodge Grand Caravan, and the blower motor will not blow on high speeds. And we'll cut right to the chase for you. The problem was the resistor, a $12 part. Easy for anybody to install. First thing you always want to do, as they say, disconnect the negative battery cable. Okay, I've already got the glove box open. Easy enough, you'll figure that out. These two plugs right here, you would just unplug them. Take a 5/16 nut driver, take these two hex screws out of here, pulls right out, replace it, put the new one in, just put it in just like it was. Replace the screws, replace the plugs, start it up. Previously, did not work on the high speed. And that's all it is. Now, normally a lot of people would think that it's not the resistor because when it's blowing on high speed, there's no resistance. But I'm not sure exactly how it works, but it's the resistor, at least in my case. So, problem solved, $12 part off of Amazon, and it's fixed. Hope that helps. I'm sure that'll help some people.